Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can log in into phpmyadmin from the Hostinger. Let me search hostinger.com, and after that now I need to log in into my Hostinger hosting account. And after that, here you can see I am logged in. So it will take just few seconds. After that I will be able to access web hosting. Alright, now simply click here on the manage button. Then scroll down, and after that here you can see databases, and then on the left side click here databases, then phpmyadmin. So for example, if you have multiple websites, then you should go here. Here you can see I have a single website on this hosting package. Now simply click here phpmyadmin. Then scroll down and click here. So it will take just few seconds. After that we will be redirected to the phpmyadmin, where you can access your database files, as well as you can change username or password and various other options. Now guys, here you can see this is phpmyadmin interface. Now scroll down and click here WP users. Now here you can see user login, password, as well as email address, and you can see other settings for the database. You can add and remove anything. So thank you for watching.